So the view menu, the minimum requirement for that is that you have base development system. The view menu contains items that display a LabVIEW environment window, including the error list window, getting started window, and navigation window. You also can display palettes and project related toolbars, use the browse relationships item to view aspects of the current VI and its hierarchy. Some menu items are available only on specific operating systems with specific LabVIEW development systems when an item in the Project Explorer window is selected or when a VI is selected. So the first item is Controls palette, which displays the control palette as the name implies. The next item is Functions palette, which is available from the block diagram, and as the name suggests, it displays the functions palette. So the next item is Tools palette, which displays the Tools palette. The next item is Quick Drop, which displays the Quick Drop dialog box. So the next item is Breakpoint Manager, which displays the Breakpoint Manager window, which we can use to enable, disable, and clear all breakpoints from the VI hierarchy. The next item is Probe Watch window, which launches the Probe Watch window, which we can use to view data that flows through a probed wire. So the next item is Error List, which displays the Error List window, which lists the errors in the current VI. So the next item is Load and Save Warning List. This is disabled because this displays the warnings list if you have some problem while loading or saving VIs that has components that have difficulty. LabVIEW has difficulty in loading those components. So the next item is VI hierarchy, which displays the VI hierarchy window, which we can use to view the sub VIs and other nodes that make up the VIs in memory and to search the VI hierarchy. So the next item is LabVIEW class hierarchy, which displays the LabVIEW class hierarchy window, which we can use to view the hierarchy of LabVIEW classes in memory and to search the LabVIEW class hierarchy. So next we have Browse Relationships, which contains items for viewing aspects of the current VI and its hierarchy. The first item is this VI's hierarchy. It could also be this VI's X control or this VI's class. This highlights the project library X control or a LabVIEW class to which the class current VI belongs in the Project Explorer window. The menu item changes according to the type of library that owns the VI. If the library X control or class is not in a LabVIEW project, LabVIEW opens a new window that contains only the library X control or class to which the current VI belongs. We can use the library property to display the name of the owning library programmatically. So next from Browse Relationships, we can view this VI's callers, displays a list of all the VIs that call the current VI as a sub VI. We can also use the callers names property to display the list programmatically. Also, next option is this VI's sub VIs, which displays a list of all the sub VIs to the current VI. This list does not include sub VIs of the current VI. You also can use the get VI dependencies names and paths method to display the list programmatically. Unopened sub VIs displays the list of all the unopened sub VIs in memory. We can also select view browse relationships. This VI's hierarchy to display a hierarchy list of all VIs in an application. So the unopened type defs displays a list of all the unopened type definitions that are in memory. Reentrant items displays the reentrant original item and all clones of the reentrant VI. We can edit only the sub VI, not the reentrant VI. Next item is Bookmark Manager, which displays the Bookmark Manager window. Next option is this VI in project, opens the project window and shows where the currently selected VI is located in the project window. So the next item is class browser, which displays the class browser window, which we can use to select available object libraries, view classes and properties and methods within the selected object library. Next option is Dotnet Assemblies in memory, displays the Dotnet Assemblies in memory dialog box, which contains all the assemblies that LabVIEW has in memory. We can use this dialog box to verify that LabVIEW is loading the correct assemblies for projects and VIs that use .NET objects. Next option is Activex control property browser, and this displays the Activex control property browser, from which we can view and set all the properties associated with an Activex control or document in an Activex container if the such object exists. The Getting Started window launches the Getting Started LabVIEW window. The Navigation window option launches the Navigation window. Tools bar sub-menu allows us to show or hide the standard, project, build, source control toolbars. These toolbars are available only in the Project Explorer window.